Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into mining blocks, and yes, I know, I'm sure many of you are out there going, oh RJ, yet another mining blocks video. Yes, that is true. I know we've done a few recently, but today there is some really good stuff. So if you are a member of mining blocks or looking to become a member of mining blocks, then keep watching because I think you're going to find it interesting. Okay, so this is my mining blocks account, and before we get into anything else, let's drop into Faucet Pay, and you can see here that we've got some payment proof. So on the 13th of May, which is just a couple of days ago, we got 3 Polygon Matic. We got on the 3rd of May, we got 3 Polygon Matic. On the 27th of April, we got 3 Adder, and on the 21st of April, we got another 3 Polygon Matic. So as you can see, the program is still paying consistently. So now, obviously, I realize that there are quite a few of you that cannot use Faucet Pay, specifically those of you over in America. So what do? Dead simple. The great thing with mining blocks is that they will also allow you to do direct withdrawals to basically any external wallet, so a mobile wallet or a hardware wallet, or maybe you use another online wallet such as C Wallet. I know a lot of those of you over in the States, C Wallet is successfully used over there and perfectly fine and has no restrictions for people in America. So how would you do that? So basically what you'd simply do is you click on withdraw, and you'd come in here, you'd select all, I'm assuming you want to use up all your coins, and then obviously you've got the 2 options. You've got direct wallet, you've got Faucet Pay. You put in your direct wallet, so that would be your let's say your deposit address for whichever coin you're sending to C Wallet, or and your receive address, let's say in your mobile wallet and in your hardware wallet. So basically that's what you do, is you pick one of those addresses depending on the medium you're using, then you click request, and within a few days you will have those coins in your wallet. So if a mining program, a crypto mining program, is something that you are looking for, then mining blocks could well be for you. Just remember, if you become a member, to benefit from being a member and putting the work in and building up your account, make sure that you do these tasks here right from the beginning. So basically, equip your space, power supply and miner. So obviously all you're going to do is click this button here and go and do those 3 things. Then come back here to the main page, click this button and join any pool. Now obviously I have a pool. The pool itself is called RJ's Manic Matic Miners, and if you join that pool, 2 things. 1, you will get a block bonus every single day. As long as you are an active member of that pool, you are building up your account, you are working on improving your account, getting yourself some miners, doing offer walls, short links, all that kind of stuff, staying active on the site, then you will get a block pool every day you are loyal to my pool. Now the other thing that I have done as well, which we will get into in just a second, but it is connected with these offer wall auto faucets. Now a lot of people are using these. I've championed the offer wall me one, but unfortunately the offer wall me one has become so inconsistent. It works, it doesn't work, it pays, it doesn't pay. To be honest with you, I've just left it. I'm just not even touching it anymore. But the Adnade auto faucet, if we drop in here, you can see I've got 460 credits in there within the last 24 hours. That will be paid to me tomorrow, and as I continue to mine every 24 hours, my block of credit is dispersed amongst XP parts that you can craft other miners from, and also mining tokens. Now, the mining tokens aspect is what we're going to be looking at in connection to our mining pool. Now, in the last video I mentioned that I was trying to get to 15,000 mining tokens, which would allow me to upgrade our mining pool, bringing you guys even more coins for every day you mine in our pool. So if we go in here, we go to my pools, you can see we are now at level 16. We were at level 15 with a 38% bonus. We're now at level 16 with a 40% bonus. So basically what you see as your earned coins from our mining pool, that has a 40% bonus on top of that, and that is basically because I am continually trying to upgrade our pool to make sure you guys get what you deserve for putting in that work. Now, I personally am not a member of our mining pool. Now, the reason for that, some of you might go, well, why are you not in your pool? Two reasons. One, because I give you guys a block pool every day, I need to get that block from somewhere else, which right now, as of a couple of days ago, I have upped that block bonus. I was given a 0.3 block bonus daily. I'm now given a 0.5 block bonus daily. Now, I know it's not a huge amount as an increase, but you've got to remember I am giving this away every single day to our active members. And if you stay active, like I say, you will get part of that bonus. But the second thing is, so basically the reason why, okay, first, like I say, the reason why I'm not in is firstly because I need to earn block so I can give you guys that bonus. But secondly, if I'm in the pool, I'm actually earning from that my pool, and that means I'm taking coins away from you guys, and I don't want that. So I want you guys to earn 100% of what you mine. So that is another reason why I am not in this pool. So like I say, we've done that 15,000. In fact, actually, let me quickly go back in there. So the next upgrade would be 16,830 is what we need in the way of mining tokens. That will take us to level 17. I'm assuming that will take us up to either 42 or 43%. But whatever it is, that is going to be coming to you hopefully. I don't know how quickly it will take me to get there, but hopefully fairly soon in the future. And you guys, like I say, I am pushing my account all the time, because I want you guys to earn as much as possible. So like I say, you know, if I was you, I would steer clear of the offer wall me, auto faucet, move over to add nade, and like I say, you're going to get that XP, you're going to get those parts to craft miners from, and you're also going to get mining tokens. Now the crafting is right here. And basically, as you can see, we have a few of these. These top ones are what I'm interested in at the moment. This one is what I'm looking at. Is we're going to be, obviously unfortunately we've used our 15,000 mining tokens, so we will have to push that if we're going to get this mine up, or we can scroll down here and we can pick up something like this, which it only give me half the amount, only a 30 gigahash boost, but I don't need any mining tokens for that. You can see that I'm pretty close. I'm only missing 5 items in the way of base. Obviously we need a few more power supplies, giant miner, giant container, 9 big containers, and 44, and so you got 90, we've got around about 50, so we need another 45 power supplies there. But like I say, from the auto faucet, we are actually building up these parts quite rapidly. So like I say, if I take this one, that means I get some extra power from my account, and also I don't spend any of those mining tokens. But for you guys, obviously, if you want to get and build new craft miners for your account quickly, I would say use the Adnaid auto faucet, you know, because you're going to get that extra XP, which is going to help you level up, which is going to give you more power anyway. But then also as well, it's going to allow you to get those parts which you can craft other miners from. Now, the other big news is that I know recently I haven't been doing my usual Friday live streams. That is going to change this week. We are going to be doing a live stream tomorrow. So that will be Friday the 16th of May 2025 at 1 p.m. GMT UK time. It will be a Mining Blocks live stream, which you're probably thinking, well, you're doing a Mining Blocks video. Why are you doing a live stream? Well, one, normally the live streams that we do are just a pretty chilled affair. So even though we might be on the Mining Blocks website, you guys can come along, ask any questions about any other programs that we're using, and I will answer those questions, and we can just shoot the breeze and just have a informal live stream. But the other thing is, for those of you that are members of Mining Blocks, I will be doing a miner giveaway. Now, as you guys have seen in the past, if we go into boxes, I get referral tokens. So basically that is a token that I get from referrals, the use of the program. Now basically, because this referral box and the miners that are in it haven't changed in so long, and basically I've got all the miners, I've turned the miners into cards which have given me X amount of percentage bonus for my account, I really have no use to keep getting these miners. What I'm going to do is tomorrow we're going to do rounds. So we're going to do like round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4. And anybody that is in the stream, I will say, okay guys, do you want to get some free miners? If you put your hands up or simply type yes in the chat, I will add you into that round. And then basically what we'll do is we'll pull up our lucky spinner. So let's say we've got 20 or 15 people in the stream or more. We can adjust this to as many people that decide they want to enter into that particular round. And we can then just click spin. And we're going to give away 3 prizes per round. And let's say number 3 on our list of people, they win. So then what we do is we remove that choice from the spinner, so number 3 can't win another miner in that round. We then spin again and we see who is our next lucky winner. That would be number 6. Ta-da! We remove that choice and then we spin for one final time to see who is our final winner in that round. Now, just because you have won in a particular round does not mean you cannot enter the following round. So basically every round, whoever decides they want to enter, if there's 5, 10, whatever, I will add that amount of people to my spinner, because I can adjust this. I can go 5, you can see there's 5, I can go 10 or more or less or whatever, and I will spin that, remove the people as they win. I will gift you those miners, because in my last live stream someone actually pointed out to me I could gift miners. I didn't realize that in that stream, but tomorrow we are just going to be gifting miners. And even if the miners you get, you decide, you know, I don't want that on, don't want to put that on my account, or I don't want to waste the energy to add it or get it up and running. Basically what you can do is you can go into your inventory, You can then pick that particular miner. Let's say we'll unequip this to give you an example, and we can just go convert to card. And then if you go into my cards, you would find that miner somewhere in here. You would see that once that's been converted into a card, it's going to give you, like this one, a certain percentage of power bonus onto your account. Let's say you fill in all of those miners like I've done there. You can see this one gives you a 1.6, this gives you a 2, this gives you a 1.3, and then that gives you a 1. Let's say you've done that. You were lucky enough to win 4 rounds, and we're still running a 5th round. You win another miner. Okay, you don't want to equip it, and you've got all the cards, then simply put it on the marketplace and sell it, so you can get yourself some free block as well. So what you decide to do with the miners I give away, that is entirely up to you, but I would love to see you in the live stream tomorrow. We'll have some loads of fun. We'll chat about whatever you guys want, and we're going to be giving away those free miners. Okay, so that is pretty much it. I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful and informative. If you can give me a massive thumbs up, it would be absolutely brilliant. It really supports my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your day, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow in the live stream. Okay, I'll catch you later. Thanks a lot. Bye.